SBHA was created in March 2003. It was created by tenants for tenants through a stock transfer vote. We work across the borders. Our homes are in 40 locations and we have over 5,500 homes. We employ around 180 people and we work from 3 locations across the Scottish borders. When we first considered using a CRM solution, it was part of a major change programme in the business called the Borders Without Barriers programme, which was about redesigning our services from a customer point of view, improving the customer journey through our services, and also breaking down traditional ways of working. We felt that to do that, we needed technology that brought all the information on customers together.
This project was all about the customer experience. Having the technology to allow us to be able to answer all queries or the majority of queries at first point of contact for our tenants. And through that we required the business efficiencies. So obviously in terms of customer contact, response times, a reduction there, business efficiencies and processing, as well as other financial targets such as reducing arrears and voids. We were looking at, across the sector at a range of potential solutions. So we were looking for a CRM system that integrated with not only our existing systems, but future systems such as mobile working, self-service and document management.
Before we went live with CRM, we were very much a paper-heavy organisation. So we didn't have a document management system and we didn't have a customer relationship management system. We managed our antisocial behaviour cases and our complaints on a separate access database, and we managed other various aspects of our service on spreadsheets. Because everything is now in the one place, it means when a customer does phone in, we're able to give them information, whether it be on the rent balance, to report a repair, an application query. We can see what their medical assessment is, how many points they've got in their application, what their rent history is. If they want to report an ASB case, we can record it whilst they're on the phone. If they want to make a complaint or a compliment, we can record that at the same time. So it means that we're not transferring calls to different service areas, that the staff within the solutions team are able to be that one-stop shop.
In years gone by, it was all done by paper files, and things were getting lost. There wasn't that accurate record. We couldn't go back and see when the police were phoned, what the incident was. Everything is just much more easy. It's all on that one screen. The benefits for the tenants after we've introduced CRM has been that we're able to answer their questions more efficiently and quickly. We're able to give dates to when contact's been made, what that agreement's been. We're able to give that information there and then, whereas before, you were going through paper files and we just couldn't put things to hand. So for me using CRM and for the tenants' benefits, it's definitely been a much improved system.
Looking forward, when we get to mobile working and also self-service, I think there's going to be a need to really keep things simple. And I think keeping things simple is about refocusing for the customer as well, in terms of just improving the service that we deliver. So there's been a number of benefits in terms of how we've done that. We've shaved a bit of time off each of the repairs that we've put in. We have implemented Repairs Finder alongside the CRM, which has then given us a consistency in the quality of our responses. It's allowed us to train staff on other issues, not just system-based issues, but on repairs issues in a wider sense. And that's allowed us to then, in trying to simplify that and see it from an angle of a customer, it's allowed us to do that more effectively than we were doing previously.
I think the relationship with Castleton has been hugely beneficial. I think it's worked well in that Castleton have been flexible and allowed input from the association, so that what we've got is a product which has been pretty well tailored to our needs, and and Castleton has been able to respond to those needs. So we've got something which will allow us to go forward and for the system to evolve over the coming years.
When we started out on the journey with this project with Castleton, we were very aware that we wanted something quite unique. And we wanted something that was about a vision for a service and how it would be in 5 years' time. So I think for us and for Castleton, this has been a real journey in terms of developing a product that not just does the things that it says on the tin, but actually starts to deliver something that could be a real leader for the whole sector. Overall, I think at the end of this, we'll have a project that works really well for us, but it's also something that can be shared in other places.